freshman year, me, Mitchell, all the guys first coming in, we had a good class. I remember specifically saying, I want this place back. And before we graduate, like I want these people, I want all these people, all this whole crowd, I want it packed in here. And tonight we got it going, and the decibels are up. Other than that, it's nice coming up on top, but as I said like last week, this isn't the end of the season. You know, I got to do that again. I got to do that on top of the big stage on the blue mat in March at Nationals, so I can be on top of that podium.
So whenever you beat the #1 guy or #1 team or whatever in the country, there's no negative in that. Okay, it's a great day.
It's just great to be able to, I don't know, I guess know that I can do that. I always had that confidence, but getting it done, that's what we're downstairs in the basement of McComb training for. So to be out here, giving these fans what they want.
I think it shows that we're out there, we're here to compete too. We're not just little Edinboro anymore. We're here to compete with the best teams. Me, Dave, and AJ, I think we're all real confident in our skills. We know we can compete with the best, just like our team can. And I think that's what did it for us tonight.
Yeah, when you have a chance to beat them, you got to take it. And so I'm a little disappointed. Obviously, there were some positives. The crowd and the excitement, and I think just it's good for wrestling. But I'll be thinking about some things we could have, maybe got a win tonight. So.
Yeah, every match is the same, though. You got to go out and expect to do your best. As you can see, #1 guys can get knocked off by kids that have lost before.
I know the score says 19-22, but we definitely could have came up on top. A couple matches, I know we did have a couple matches that did go our way, but there's those couple of extra ones that we definitely were able to get, or could have had. And they're the #1 or 2 team, and we're 7th or whatever. But tonight, I think we showed that we can get it done.